Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best recliners to upgrade your living space on Amazon. Recliners elevate your living space with luxurious comfort and style, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and modern design. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Hummel Leather Recliner. The Hummel Leather Recliner features a high-quality pool leather construction and thick foam padding, making it exceptionally comfortable, skin-friendly, and easy to clean. Positive reviewers note that it is extremely easy to get out of the chair, just apply a small amount of pressure pushing down. The chair is on the smaller side, but most agree that it can accommodate people up to 6 feet in height. This adjustable recliner also provides a 90 to 180-degree range to switch between gaming, working, watching movies, or napping. The chair's plastic feet keep it stable on any surface and protect floors. Also, its padded armrests and ergonomic backrest provide optimal support while sitting or lying down in this chair. What we like about it: comes in different colors. Easy assembly without requiring any tools. Smooth reclining mechanics and sturdy construction. What we don't like about it: leg space is short and uncomfortable. Number 2. Best Massage Pool Leather Recliner. The Best Massage Leather Recliner is a great option on our list because of its massage feature, adjustable backrest, and ease of assembly. It offers a massage experience wrapped up in a sleek modern chair design to complement any home or office. The reclining backrest adjusts the angle of your seat up to 160 degrees, which is typical for this type of recliner. What makes the Best Massage stand out is its 8 different vibration massage functions and 3 intensity levels, specifically designed to target the waist area with 2-point massage technology. The chair is also incredibly easy to adjust and comes in various colors, making it easy to find the perfect match for your room decor. What we like about it: sturdy and comfortable to sit on. Easy to assemble. Perfect for smaller spaces. What we don't like about it: may not be durable enough. Number 3. Jumico Adjustable Recliner. Jumico's adjustable recliner has nearly the same silhouette as the Yahidic and Best Massage. The full-back contour and handrail design are both modern and ergonomic. The chair boasts a steel frame for support up to 265 pounds. The breathable fabric and thick padding provide additional comfort and support, making it a great spot to relax after a long day. The backrest adjusts from 90 degrees to 165 degrees, which means you can easily find the perfect position for reading, watching TV, or even taking a quick nap. Plus, the adjustable footrest allows you to change the angle of your feet for optimal comfort. What we like about it: the compact size makes it easy to fit in limited spaces. The rubber bottom doesn't scratch the floor. Vibration massage supports the back and neck. What we like about it: a little flimsy. Number 4. Yahidic Leather Recliner. The Yahidic Leather Recliner is built with durable materials to hold up to 265 pounds. You can adjust the chair with 3 different relaxation modes, whether you want to sit up straight or lie down flat. There are rounded soft feet at the bottom of each leg to keep it from scratching floors, making it easy to move around your home. Nearly 2,500 5-star reviews agree that it is the easiest thing to assemble and surprisingly well made for its price point of around $90. What we like about it: ergonomically designed for smaller frames. Lightweight construction and easy assembly. Comes with side pockets for storage of items. What we don't like about it: soft material scuffs and tears easily. Number 5. Comhoma Leather Recliner. The Comhoma Leather Recliner looks more like a chair you see in a luxury movie theater. While other chairs on this list are small, sleek, and modern, this chair is large, durable, and designed for maximum comfort. It's the most expensive item on our list in part because of the premium, upgraded materials. The headrest, armrests, and seat are padded with high-density foam that is easy to get out of. This is the only chair on our list with rocking and heat functions. The 360-degree swivel and 150-degree recline functions allow you to adjust the chair to your liking, while the rocking, massage, and heated features provide an unbeatable level of comfort. What we like about it: quick and easy to assemble. Easily swivels 360 degrees. Soft padding for comfort and support. What we don't like about it: the leather appears wrinkled out of the box and needs time to air out. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.